How to fix sleep mode not working after Android 15 update on Poco M8. So let's start the video first of all. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone. If you want to restart phone, click power button and volume up button at the time and restart phone. After restart, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more connectivity options. After click on more connectivity app option, click on reset settings. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, enter your phone pin and click on next and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix sleep mode not working after 15 update. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.